let's take a look at this example. Again, we have implicit relation on the board. We have to find derivative of it. So again, we're going to do everything step by step. So I have to find the derivative of every single term of my equation. So I have derivative of 5x over dx plus derivative 2y squared respect to x is equal derivative of 3 respect to x. Next, we're supposed to use this formula again. So let me remind you that anytime there is no power, there is always invisible one. So according to this rule, we're supposed to write first constant. My constant is equal 5. Next, we have to multiply that constant by power, 1. Next, we have to multiply with exponent, 1 in this case, minus 1. Derivative of this respect to x. Plus, I'm finished with this one, derivative of 2y squared. So this is constant again, 2 times the power, 2. Exponent minus 1, 2 minus 1. Derivative dy over dx is equal. Derivative of the constant is equal 0. Okay, so what we have? 5 times 1 is 5. X. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. Dx over dx is equal 1. Plus 2 times 2 is equal 4. Y. 2 minus 1 is equal 1. Okay, I'm not supposed to write it, but... And I have dy over dx is equal 0. I assume that x is different than 0. That's why I'm going to say that 5 times 1 times 1 is equal 5. Plus y to the first is just y. That's why I'm going to have just 4y dy over dx is equal 0. I have to solve this equation for dy over dx, okay? Derivative of y with respect to x. So I'm supposed to move 5 to the right side of my equal sign. So I have 4y dy over dx is equal 5, negative 5. Okay, so in order to solve this equation for dy over dx, I have to divide both sides of my equation by 4y. So 4y. 4y and 4y will cancel out, and I will end up with derivative of y with respect to x. This is equal negative 5 over 4y. But keep in mind that the denominator contains y. This is unknown, right? This is the variable. You have to keep in mind that y, in this case, has to be different than 0. Okay, so this is the solution to my problem.